We're gonna eat!
Jollibee ang mamumroblema.
I love this shirt. This is my favorite shirt.
May pantawag ka ba? Akin na. Chicken palabo.
Mine is Dulabi. I got burger steak.
No, that's not yours. Yours is ano.
So I cut off the thing. So I need spoon. Mommy, I need a strong knife so I can try it on back. Got this. Put it on the side first. Let's open this. All I need is a or a straw.
Guys, happy birthday to you.
Where's my
It's
food?
your birthday.
Later.
It's your birthday.
Stop. Thanks, I guess.
It's your birthday. A hamburger.
This is your birthday, No, I like mushrooms. You can make me wrong, but I love it.
I want the food.
That's in my opinion.
2, 4, 5. Oo, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dapat 6.
Kabo,
And then
come here, eating time.
Wait lang.
Mommy, I'm not sitting.
Mommy, it's calling.
Why? Where's my food?
Wait lang, Kobo.
Hello?
Happy birthday to you. My pipi
Ayan, natawag ulit.
Hello, yes. Yung order namin ay yung may ano ba sasabihin ko order? Len, anong order natin? Yung may cheeseburger meal na 3, tapos super meal, burger steak,
1 super meal, tapos 3 pieces spice to go.
hello? Narinig mo? Yung chicken palabok with ice cream.
I got a pee kiwi. Guys, I got a pee kiwi.
Chicken palabok with ice cream. Baka kayo mabagga.
Bye. Bye. Like and subscribe.